Hey everyone, and welcome. I'm so excited you're here today because we're going to talk about something that's on a lot of people's minds: creating real, sustainable income from the comfort of your own home. If you've ever dreamed of building an online business, of having more freedom and control over your financial future, then you need to stick around because that's what I'm about to share with you, how you can genuinely change everything for you. So what's the secret? How do some people seem to effortlessly build profitable online businesses while others struggle? Is it luck? A special talent? I'm here to tell you it's neither. It's about having the right system, the right mentorship, and the right community, and that's exactly what we're talking about today. Forget those pre-recorded, dusty old online courses you buy and never finish. This is something entirely different. Imagine having someone who's been there and done that, walking you step by step through the entire process in real time. And that's what this is. Real-time coaching to ensure you never get stuck, and expert mentorship to help you build a profitable, automated online business that works for you even when you're not working. Now let's get into the good stuff. What does this mean for you? It means gaining access to not just one, not just two, but 10 different income streams. We're talking about a comprehensive package that includes everything in both English and Spanish, plus incredible bonuses. This isn't about learning one thing, it's about giving you all the tools to create multiple income streams. Now, one of the biggest hurdles when starting an online business is figuring out what to sell. We've solved that for you. You will receive master resale rights, and it's not just a certification, but it grants you the rights to promote and sell this program. You get to offer a high value, in-demand product from day one without having to create it yourself. But having a product is only the half the battle, right? You need to know how to market it. That's why we've included comprehensive digital marketing training. You'll master the essentials online strategies to attract your ideal customer. And more importantly, you can convert them into buyers. We're not talking about anything that's hard or confusing. It's very user-friendly. If I can do it, you can do it. We're talking about practical, actionable steps that you can implement instantly. This isn't a collection of videos. It's a comprehensive system designed for your success. This program gives you everything that you need to confidently start and grow your online business. No more guesswork, no more piecing together random bits of information from the internet. It's clear, structured path to follow. And perhaps the most valuable part, you won't be doing it alone. You'll become part of this thriving, supportive community. Imagine having a network of like-minded individuals to collaborate, to congratulate, to ask questions, and to celebrate wins. The ongoing collaboration is what keeps me motivated and moving forward. That's the power of community. So let's recap. This is a live interactive program where you have access to 10 income streams. You have the ability to have real-time coaching, expert mentorship, master resale rights, and it's a proven product. If you're ready to stop dreaming and start building, if you're serious about creating multiple income streams from home, then this is your moment. This is your invitation to join a movement of people who are taking control of their lives and building their legacy. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If this resonates with you, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, or go down to the link in my bio, lauradailypay.com, and get more information. See you on the inside.